Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to link your eBay account to CJ Dropshipping website. As you know guys, CJ Dropshipping is one of the most popular websites for dropshipping. Then CJ Dropshipping provides you with a wide range of products that you can sell on your online store. For example, eBay or Etsy also, and Amazon and other websites. Additionally, they offer the variety of features that make it easy for you to manage your orders, including automated order fulfillment, inventory management, and product sourcing. As you know guys, easy website for fulfillment product on your eBay store. Then I will show you the simple method to link a bot account eBay with CJ Dropshipping. Then guys, first open your eBay account, then open your account, then you need to copy your username eBay account, then copy the username, then guys open CJ Dropshipping. Then after you verify your account with using your email address and phone number, just go directly to on the toolbar on the top, then select eBay and the third one, then scroll to eBay and click on eBay. Then guys, go on the search bar on the top. Don't worry about this because I have already linked my account. Just go on the search bar on the top, then paste eBay username. Then guys, hit on search, then automatically will see your account. Then click to link your eBay account, then automatically your account which will add it and link it to list any product on CJ Dropshipping to your eBay account. Then if you want to list the product on eBay, just for example I will select one of this product, for example this one, then just open the product, then scroll to list in the middle, then click on list. Then you can list the product on eBay directly with clicking the list. Then before that you need to add the price, then click on list, then automatically the product it will add it to your eBay account. Then your CJ Dropshipping was linked successfully to your eBay account. As you see guys, it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.